This is the city of New Albany, Indiana. It was established in 1812, I believe, 1813, early 1800s. It is on the Ohio River. Many of the buildings you see are from the late 1800s to early 1900s. The church you see there was used during the 1860s as part of the Underground Railroad. So there's a lot of historical significance in New Albany. Two vulnerabilities that threaten the town are we are in the Midwest, so we have, and plus we're on a river, a major river, the Ohio River. As you can see, it's flooding right now, but so flooding is a major vulnerability we face. We are on a flood wall right now, and so the city is protected by a flood wall, but the backwater from the flooding, if the river gets too high, can flood the city. So that is one of our vulnerabilities. The other one is tornadoes. So natural disasters are definitely a major threat to us. There are some chemical plants just across the river here in West Louisville. We are in the Louisville metro area. So just across the river are some chemical plants. So we could potentially suffer some things from a chemical disaster. The most essential thing to restore in the city would be the downtown area. There is the federal courthouse located in New Albany, Indiana. There is many businesses also down in the downtown area. So it would be essential to get these businesses open and the historical buildings restored as soon as possible to get the city back to normal and functioning again. It would be very important for the economy here to get that working. Mitigation wise, we do everything we can to prevent flooding. We of course have the flood wall that protects us from the flooding. If the water did get to the point where it gets too high, we can always sandbag to prevent the backfill flooding. So that is something we can do. And then just post warnings and stuff for tornadoes. So that's another mitigation.